It's never been easier to make money online, and to prove that, I'll show you one of the simplest methods to earn a decent living online. You can do this over and over again because you don't need a camera, you will not have to take any pictures of yourself, and you don't need any social media following. And I will give you a free tool where you can get this done in less than 10 minutes of work. It's a website we have never used before, and people from all over the world are using and making hundreds or thousands of dollars with this website. But before we start, welcome to EarnPal, where we teach you how to make money online every single day. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and also leave us a like and a comment down below. Now let's carry on with the video. So first of all, this is the website where you can get the work done in less than 10 minutes. This is not a website where you will be making money, but rather it's a platform where you can get those images done in less than 10 minutes. So you can make hundreds of dollars with the second website where people are making hundreds or thousands of dollars. This website has been making a lot of money for people just for downloading and uploading images, and I'm going to show you how to create those images. So first of all, let's start with how you can get those images done for absolutely free. Just head on over to this website, Adobe Spark. Just type in the URL spark.adobe.com. This is a free online tool with hundreds of thousands of different templates, which will allow you to just drag and drop and create professional looking designs. So you can simply come over to Adobe Spark and you can read more about what type of designs you can get done with this tool. But what can you create with Adobe Spark? Well, you can create social graphics, you can pick a photo, add text, and apply design filters or animations to instantly stand out from the crowd and create high quality designs. And that's exactly what we will be focusing on. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's continue. So they also have different features like creating web pages and short videos, but this isn't what we will be focusing on. We are only focusing on images that we can create in minutes to share instantly and then get paid with a website, which I'm about to share with you in a minute. And even if you don't have a laptop or computer, it's okay because you can still use this method with your iPhone or your Android device. So even if you're laying in your bed and holding your phone, you can still do this. It's gonna be simple, so come over to Adobe Spark at spark.adobe.com and click on Get Started. So you can create a free account and can either sign up with Google, Facebook, or Apple account, or with your email or Adobe ID. Once you figure out what account you want to sign up with, it will immediately redirect you to your brand new account. Once you create a brand new account on Adobe Spark, you will be able to browse all of the different templates from this website. You have all of these different graphic designs which you can create, which are pretty much 99% done for you. And you just need to change the text, and that way it becomes your unique design from which you can make hundreds of dollars with a website, which I will share with you. So you can create Instagram stories, Instagram posts, Facebook posts, photo collage, print presentations, slideshows, branded images, and even custom size. All of these different templates are available. You can create flyers, ebook covers, book covers, and so on and so forth. So let's say, for example, I want to use the flyer design template. I'm just going to click on that so I can show you how easy it is. I just need you to wait for them to load my design, to load my template so I can fully customize it and I can change everything. Let's say, for example, when I type in something like this, click done, and it will change on this image. Now on the right hand side, you can also customize colors, you can change the font, the size, you can customize everything. You can add different shapes, shadows, different animations, and whatnot. And here on the left hand side, you can select different templates in case you don't like this one. So maybe I prefer this color right here, or I prefer this one. I can click on create from this template, wait until it loads, and so I can customize this one. It's really easy and simple to use because once again, it's like 99% done for you. You just need to change the text, save it to your computer, and let's say I want to type in once again something like this. I will click done. Now it's going to look something like this. Maybe I want to change the background image. I can also do that as well. I can click on replace or remove background or add different filters to my background. It's really simple and easy to use, and you can create all sorts of designs from those templates. Once you're done designing, you can either click the download button right here, and that's instantly going to download this image to your computer. It's going to download the high quality version of this image. You can either do it like that, or if you want to remove the watermark, you can open open up, for example, a snipping tool or any other screen software that you have on your computer and just screenshot this image, take a snap, and just exclude the watermark that's at the bottom, and you're ready to go. So that's how simple and easy it is going to do those designs with Adobe Spark. It takes less than 10 minutes because those designs are already ready as templates. And you guys, if you are enjoying this video, please don't forget to support us, like and subscribe. And now let's get on to the video. Now let me show you the website that's going to pay you hundreds of dollars for those designs that you create with Adobe Spark. That website will pay you hundreds of dollars for those designs which you can create, and it's called designcrowd.com. This is over at designcrowd.com, where you will get paid for all of the different designs for logo designs, business cards, web designs, flyers, graphic designs, which you can all create within Adobe Spark in less than 10 minutes. And let me show you this. If I go to this designers category, and let's say for example I select graphics designers, you will be able to see people from all over the world making money. You have people from all over the globe making hundreds or thousands of dollars. If we for example select logo designers, you'll be able to see that people are also making even more money. There's a lot of money to be made with designcrowd.com. It's a really good website that pays a decent amount of money for those designs, which you can get done in less than 10 minutes. So if you go over to the jobs section right here, you can see that you can create all of those designs and get paid for doing that. You can create anything from business cards down to flyers, posters, postcards, web designs, Facebook designs, YouTube, Twitter, and so on and so forth. Everything that we saw on the previous website, everything which you can get done in less than 10 minutes of work. Let's say for example you want to focus on flyer designs. You can click on that and you will be able to see different available jobs. You can submit your designs and get paid. And you can get paid for one single image that I submit right here, for one single design, which I can get done, like I said before, in less than 10 minutes with Adobe Spark. And there will be new jobs coming in all the time, so you will never run out of jobs to complete within all these sections. And of course, 1 or 2 jobs, it's not a lot, but that's only designing a flyer, and you're not even designing it. You're actually getting it done for you 99% of the time. Now, to get started with designcrowd.com, all you have to do is come over to this website, click join for free, this button right here, enter your email address, create a password, and click on let's go. Once you sign up and you log into your brand new account, you can start browsing all of these different jobs. And once you find a suitable one, just click on it, submit your design, and wait to see if you've made money. And since a lot of you guys are always asking how can you cash your money out, well, I want to explain to you exactly how it is. It's very simple. So once you start making money on this website, just go over to your profile right here, just click profile settings, and then on the left side you can select payouts right here. Then select your payout method and you can enter payment details, and that's how you can collect your earnings from this website. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Before we go, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell to be updated whenever we post new content on our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment down below. And as always, I'll see you guys tomorrow for a new video. Take care.